Hi guys, welcome back to Mariju Family Channel. Today we are new in a new site. As you can see, I'm inside the chicken coop here. I'm trying to have a cleanup, general cleanup today, as I want to shift my small chicken to this room, and I want to clean it, as you can see here. Before I continue, I want to welcome you to our channel, and I also want to say thank you for your support. We are very happy as a family for the subscribers who have supported us already, and those people who have not already subscribed to our channel. We want to remind you, please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking our videos, and I will appreciate a lot for you for that support. For now, we continue, see what I'm going to do. And before my wife join me after coming from job, she is going to greet you. For now, I will continue doing what I can, waiting for her. Welcome. As usual, we are together with a blessing here. She always follows me wherever I go, and she have come to see what I wanted to do here. As you can see, viewers, here, this is a organic manure that this room has been having. The chicken, the big one, the old one that I want to dispose them, that's the manure that they have been having. So I want to remove this organic, so that the room can be clean. And I can also show you inside where they sleep at night here. Sleep at night here. Already I have already swept, and I already put some ashes, wood ash. Now I want to sweep the wood ash so that the room can be clean. For this room, I have kept this room for almost 5 days without any chicken sleeping here, to make sure that I kill all the viruses or bacteria that might be in this room, to protect my small chick from any diseases. So keep watching. I'll show what I'll do, and the time of shifting my chicken I'll be enjoying. And they also have a big room. As you can see, the room is more bigger than where they are. Goja kidogo, haya. I'm doing this because I want my chicken to be in a good environment. I'm going to shift our chicken together with my wife. And also I'm going to show where I put the big chicken. manure, I'm going to take it directly to our garden. I spread it there. Evening now, I'm heading to the shamba to harvest the corns that we have in our garden. So go together with me and see what I'm going to do there. As you can see, viewers, this is the maize I have come to harvest. On a weekend we did not manage to harvest, so I have decided to come this evening to harvest this maize. As you can see, because they are already dried, they are okay. So I will start doing it as I wait my wife to come and assist me. So I start cutting using the machete or the panga, and then I start removing the cover of the maize. I will show you how we do it here in Kenya, and I hope you enjoy. Continue watching, and I have to cut using my machete here. So I'm going to use it to cover my cabbages as I'm so after that I'm going to cut them into pieces. Also, I'm very careful to protect my potatoes, not to damage them. This corn I'm planning it to have for our chicken food. So tomatoes will get enough sunlight now. As you can see, I have cleared the area now. They are going to be getting enough sunlight. I can see my wife, she has come to see what I'm doing in the garden now. I have to explain to her why I have decided to come in the evening.
And I have decided to come and see what you have decided to do this evening.
Okay.
Because I have not got you home.
Oh.
Yeah. So I have just kept the bag there. I have not even stayed.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's okay. Before we continue, can you greet our viewers?
Oh. Hi guys. Hi. My name is Mother. Welcome to Marijo family channel. We are here in Africa, Kenya. That is specific in Nyandarua County, and I'm so happy this evening that my husband has decided we are going to harvest our corns, because of time it has been so difficult. We didn't manage it on Saturday, that was weekend, so he has decided we do it today. And I am very happy, very grateful that I'm going to join him. So our subscribers, thank you so much because of your subscription. Thank you so much because of liking our video. Thank you because of watching us. Thank you because of many things that you have done unto us. We are so grateful. We are praying God to bless you more. And we are asking, please, those people who haven't subscribed and we can see they are watching, please subscribe to our channel and make us go to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Keep watching, keep seeing what we are doing, and you will see how we harvest the corn here in Africa, in Nyandarua County. Thank you.
Martha?
Yes?
As you can see, I've already started cutting.
Yeah, you have already cut some.
Yes. So I hope you can assist me.
I want to assist you.
Okay.
To cut the rest that you have remained.
I have machete there. Yeah, you know, I have been very busy removing manure from our old chicken there. Yes, I want to shift. Yes, I want to shift our chicken there, the small chicks we have, to that room. You know, the room is more spacious. So I hope you are going to assist me to shift. Yes, thank you. Yes. The loom I have seen is very good. It's already dry, and I've already finished removing the manure.
They love sunlight.
Yes.
Yeah, they feel so good.
They look smart. As you can see,
they are almost flowering.
They are almost.
Yeah.
We believe God is going to.
It seems next month.
Okay.
We will flower.
God is going to bless us with another rain.
Yeah, rain.
Yes.
God is to make them grow. You know, now if the children that I usually teach, if they see me here,
yes,
they will see teacher. If you want it, teacher knows how to do this. You know the thing? Teachers doesn't work in the farm.
Oh.
These young children, they think a teacher doesn't work
in the farm.
If you see them when they are with their parents,
okay,
in the farm, they usually run away.
Oh.
Because they think
okay,
it is not good to work in the farm. You see the eating time. So I usually encourage them.
yes,
Even teach them, they work in the farm. They do everything that other people do.
oh,
This hunger is very sharp.
very sharp. Oh, Martha, as you can see this one, our potato is drying up. I don't know if it's a caterpillar eating. Oh,
Yeah, that one is a caterpillar.
so we have to spray. They are eating when they are so big.
The pesticide.
Oh, yes, you can see.
It's big.
Mm-hmm.
That caterpillar must be so big.
Oh. Anyway, it's part of farming.
Yeah.
So I can start removing the cover,
Yeah, I can.
so to make sure that we finish very fast. They are not many.
This one,
Mm?
if you are finished within 1 hour,
Yeah.
shall we remove
Also, we are going to show them how we remove maize from the cob.
Yeah.
We use the machine.
Oh, that time.
Yeah, a very small machine.
That one.
Hmm?
From the maize cob.
Yes, yes. Anyway, finish up there.
Yeah.
I continue on removing our cover.
I'm almost through.
Okay. Yeah, you can see, Martha,
Yes.
our maize have double, many of them.
Oh, they have to.
Ooh.
Wow,
The
this is
blessing.
God's blessing. Yeah. You know, it is better if we harvest more.
Yes,
We shall have for us
yes,
and also for our chicken if there will be more than enough.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, and you can imagine we were planting only to be roasting,
Yeah,
but
for-
we ate.
You see another one?
Yeah, it has
Double.
double. Hi.
How about these are blessings,
Yeah, it's very good.
and they are very big.
Yeah, they are big maize. They are good.
Very productive. You can get a bumper harvest,
Yeah.
and you know it's only 4 lines.
Yeah, were they 4 or 3?
No, 4 only.
Oh, 4 of them.
My aim was to have a maize for roasting.
For roasting.
Yes.
Then we ate, and they were more than we could imagine. Hey, I think it is better you remove the maize stalks from the potatoes.
Yeah, I'm going
Yeah,
to
put
to
them
remove
on top.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to cut them and use them for mushing. Oh, you see this one? I've loaded.
This one.
This part of the maize.
It is
the
because,
chicken.
yeah, and then I think the way they have overstayed.
They overstayed.
Yeah.
But here we don't lose anything because,
Yeah,
for
because
this
of
one
the chicken.
it's for our chicken.
Yeah, we shall give the chicken.
Yes.
Just of us.
Yeah. Many of them are two. Sorry?
In the evening,
Yes.
a person just feels like working
Yes.
because of the weather condition is so cold.
Yeah, it's not very sunny.
Not hot, it's not cold, you just feel the weather is good. So
So that's how we do it in Africa. In Kenya, specifically, you don't have mechanics to machines to remove the maize. So most of the people we are doing it that way.
manually.
Yeah, manually. Yes.
I can see Mahi. She has just arrived from school. I can see she's worried where the parents are. I can see her coming over there.
She cannot stay in the in the indoors.
She has to know where are the parents are. Because she said when do her homework, she has to look for where are these parents.
Okay.
That is her normal way. She has to come and see them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey.
Maggie, you have come from school?
Yes.
How was your day?
It's fine.
Your day was good?
Yes.
Even ours was good.
Mm.
We have decided to come and do some harvesting of our maize. That is why you have not found us home.
Can you say hi to our viewers?
Hi.
Yes.
My name is Maggie.
Yes.
I miss you, Dad.
Yes. You have missed me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I have also missed you. How was your day?
It's fine.
It was good.
Yes.
Ah. How can you tell our subscriber to do what? To
Share, comment.
Yes. And subscribe.
Yes.
Wow, thank you. How is Lucy? She's praying.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, after removing our cover, the way they look like, we are going to sort them at home. So select them. They look good. It's a good production. I love them. Martha?
Yes?
I see you are finished. You can be able to finish it.
Yeah?
You are going to finish now.
It's only like 2 minutes now. I told you like 1 hour. You are supposed to be green.
Oh. Good to have that time to go and finish our chicken here. Before dark.
You know, John,
Yes.
when we were young, I don't like remembering this story. My mom
Yes.
used to take us in the morning
Yes.
to harvest. You see there in Nakuru now there, Nakuru County,
Yes.
this is like now the staple food there.
Yes.
So they plant maize
Okay.
in large plantations. Let me tell you, the time of harvesting,
Yes.
right, you are going in the morning, you stay there over the whole day harvesting. Now when you get tired, you used to sit down. My mother could take one maize and then he was throwing to you. He was telling you, Simama haraka.
Because you used to sit down every
I
time.
don't like remembering the past stories.
Yes.
It's like, well, you are getting tired.
Wow. I can see Lucy, she has come.
Oh, Lucy. Lucy there. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah.
How was your day, Lucy?
It's good.
It was good.
Yeah.
You have come to look where the parents are.
Yeah.
Here we are harvesting the corn.
You finished harvesting.
Yeah.
They look very smart. I love them. You see?
Guys, this is the evening work.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
They are good.
They are very smart.
Yeah. Glory be to God.
Yes. So
yeah, we now go home.
we go home.
Yeah.
Then we go and shift our chicken there.
Yes.
We call it a day.
Yeah. You want to fall down?
Wow. Luckily we have a hood balloon.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we have to look for something to go and cook for supper.
Looks very smart. They are enough.
I think add just
A
few
few?
pieces.
How many?
Few pieces, like 5. And I think that far end is where there are many. Yeah, let us have from that far end. They are enough.
They are enough.
Yeah.
Martha,
Yes?
you can see the place. I have already swept the area.
Uh-huh.
I have cleared the area.
Yeah.
Can you show them inside?
Yeah.
Inside the way I have already cleared.
Good work.
Yes, thank you.
You have used even the ash.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very good. It kills a lot of germs.
Yes.
Maybe now because this is a new room where they'll be staying.
Yes.
Yeah, it was good that you used the ash.
Yes, and you know
Yeah.
I moved the old chicken.
Yeah,
days ago.
yeah, now at least.
Yes.
It
Any
is a good-
bacteria, I think they have already died.
They have died.
I have reduced the population of the
Oh,
bacteria.
you washed even the food.
Yeah, the
feeder?
The feeders, clean them.
Uh-huh.
Also the watering.
The drinking.
Yes. I wash,
Oh, you washed them.
yes.
Now at least
Mhm.
you did a great job.
Also I remove the manure.
The manure from this place.
Yes.
Good work.
Mhm.
Now this sack,
Yes.
what are you planning to do with it? Because you used it to cover that place for laying.
Yes.
What about now? It will just be there.
Yeah, it will remain there
Uh-huh.
because in future we are going to use it again.
And I think now in future you have to add some more
Yes.
places where the chicken will be laying.
Yes, I will
Because
add maybe
there are more
another
now.
2.
Oh, yeah, to become 4.
Yes, or I use the other side.
Oh, this side.
Yes, it's more spacious also.
Oh, you use it. You make things like these ones.
Yes, yes, I can use the timber I have here.
Oh, yeah, to construct 1
Yes,
or 2.
2. I think 2 is enough.
2 are enough.
Yes.
Good.
Mhm.
Hey, let us get them now.
Yes, let us put them. To shift them. The room have become very small, Martha.
Yeah.
Now they have become very big. I use this room for, we call it how when you are
The brooding.
the brooding area.
Yeah.
So they have become
Now
big.
they are big.
Yes.
You have to move them for
Yes.
sure.
Yes.
And they wanted to sleep. These are
Yes. You know
already they were up.
they have eaten enough.
Oh, they are
Mm.
now full.
Cool. Lucy, catch one. You move it there.
That one? Wow.
Yeah.
You don't fear?
I become it. So we have to count them.
Yeah. Get one. Are you fearing? Just take this off.
Come on. Oh, you know, they are not fearing this one.
We'll take another one. Take that one.
Today they are having a new room. Chicken coop, another chicken coop.
Hiya. They are getting out. What are we going to do?
Oh, they are enjoying.
Very much.
You can take them when they are frying. Oh, they are very heavy. Wow.
Carry one, Lucy. Carry one.
The way they are enjoying themselves here.
Enjoying?
We have also this one.
Yeah.
We call it Moshono. What do we call it in English? Yeah?
We have to Google that one.
They can tell us.
Yeah.
Also, the subscriber, please remember to subscribe our channel,
To share.
and like our videos.
Wow. Now at least the space is so big.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yes.
the door is
We close the door because they are getting out.
Yes.
Oh. Everything is like a human being. You see, it's like now they are wondering, this is another new home or what is happening?
You know they have been having a dark place every
now
time.
at least they
Now they
can
have
see
open place.
the light.
The circulation of air is
been
good.
up.
Yeah.
It's a good project.
Yeah, lovely.
Have you brought all of them? Lucy, you're enjoying this work. Lucy, you're enjoying carrying them?
You know what, Mother?
Yes.
When I was cleaning here, we were together with Blessing.
Oh,
She was just enjoying here.
Yes, so.
They are finished now.
Oh, they are all.
Yes.
Hope that you have counted.
Yes. I shifted the old chicken. As you can see, they are here. As I wait them for, I want to dispose them.
Guys, now we have come to the end of our video. We have done what we wanted to do this evening, and now I want just to remind you people, please continue subscribing, continue liking our videos, continue sharing, and continue telling us or commenting and telling us what you would like us guys to improve, on which areas you want us to improve, and we shall do so. So until the next video, guys, we now say bye
Bye bye.